And hello there, and welcome to another video from Wondershare DrFone. I am Francisco, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix a Samsung phone stuck on boot loop. So it is a system issue that is common in Samsung devices and can occur due to many reasons. In this video, we will go through the reasons Samsung phones do get stuck on boot and how to fix them. But before starting with our main topic of how to fix a Samsung device stuck on the Samsung logo, we actually have great news for you. So DrFone is launching a new Your Phone, Your Way campaign for DrFone version 13 with exciting prizes as a reward. To enter the campaign, all that you need to do is follow DrFone on Instagram, which is going to be at Wondershare_DrFone. Share this reel to your Instagram story and use the comment box to tell us the problems that you encounter during the daily use of your smartphone. So by taking part in this campaign, you can win AirPods as the first prize, $50, 5 prizes, and a 1-month free license on DrFone for 10 prizes. The lucky winners will be chosen from the comments randomly, and the campaign will end on May 30th. Lastly, do remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. So why is your Samsung phone stuck on the boot system? So let's start with why your Samsung phone is stuck on the boot logo. So there are going to be several reasons why your Samsung phone might be stuck on the Samsung logo, and these reasons range from system bugs to serious hardware issues. Now let's go through some of these reasons. Reason number 1 could just be software updates. If you recently updated your phone's software, it's possible that the update process failed or was interrupted, causing the phone to get stuck on the boot screen. This can happen if your phone loses power during the update process, or there isn't really enough storage space available for the update. Corrupted software. Malware, viruses, or other types of software can sometimes cause your phone's software to become corrupted. In cases where your phone's software becomes corrupted due to a virus or other malware, it may cause the phone to get stuck on the boot screen. Hardware issues. A faulty or damaged component within the phone's hardware can cause the device to get stuck on the boot screen. This can happen if the phone's storage processor or other hardware components become damaged or malfunction. Third-party apps. Sometimes third-party apps can cause conflicts with the phone's operating system, leading to the device getting stuck on the boot screen. It can happen if you download the app from non-official sources, or if the apps have become outdated as well. Here are going to be 4 helpful ways to fix Samsung phone stuck on boot screen. So now that we have gone through the reasons behind your Samsung device getting stuck on the boot screen, let's review how to fix Samsung stuck on the boot loop. So we will discuss your methods here to help you fix your Samsung device. Number 1 is going to be to force restart your Samsung device. The first thing that you should do after your Samsung phone gets stuck on boot screen is to force restart it. Doing it will resolve the issue if it was caused by temporary system bugs or glitches. Force restarting your Samsung device will also reset all of the processes and flush out all temporary bugs. Here is how to force restart your Samsung device. First thing that you want to do is press and hold the power and volume down buttons together for about 10 seconds and then release the buttons once the device reboots. Number 2, restart Samsung device in safe mode. So since third-party apps can also cause the Samsung phone stuck on boot loop, it is always a good idea to remove the apps you don't need. However, it can be hard to determine what apps are causing the Samsung phone to become unresponsive or get stuck at the boot screen. The best way to check and remove the problematic apps is to use safe mode. So follow these instructions to enable safe mode on your Samsung device. Step 1 is going to be to go on your Samsung device. So press the volume down and power button simultaneously for 3 seconds to access the power menu. Here, press and hold the power off option until the restart in safe mode option appears. Now go ahead and tap on the safe mode to reboot your Samsung device in safe mode. Afterwards, just check and remove the problematic apps and restart your device to exit safe mode from there. Method number 3. Wipe the cache partition of the Samsung device. So wiping the cache partition can help to fix a Samsung phone stuck on boot. This process involves deleting the system cache partition, which is a temporary storage used by the phone's OS to store data and files that are frequently accessed. So over time, this cache can become cluttered or corrupted, which can cause issues like getting stuck on the boot screen, so use these instructions to clear the cache partition of your Samsung device. Step number 1 is going to be to start by turning off your Samsung phone and connecting it to a computer. Now press and hold the volume up and power button until recovery mode activates in your device. Here, use the volume button to access the Wipe Cache Partition option. Step 2 is going to be to select the Wipe Cache Partition option using the power button on the next screen, and then go ahead and select yes to wipe clean the partition. Now reboot your Samsung phone by selecting the Reboot System Now option using the power button to exit recovery mode from there. Method number 4. Factory reset your Samsung device. So if no solution has worked so far, then you need to factory reset your Samsung device to resolve the device stuck on Samsung logo issue. It will reset your Samsung phone to the original settings and wipe clean all data and settings along with the software issues plaguing your device. Here is how you can factory reset your Samsung device if it is stuck in a boot loop. Number 1. Connect your phone to a computer after switching it off. Next, activate recovery mode on the phone using the power and volume up buttons together. In recovery mode, navigate to wipe data/factory reset using the volume buttons and then select it with the power button from there. So on the next screen, choose Factory Data Reset to factory reset your Samsung device. Once it is done, use Reboot System Now to exit recovery mode from there. So here's going to be the best app to solve Samsung phones stuck on the Samsung logo. So all of the solutions that we have discussed so far require you to follow complex instructions with no guarantee of fixing your device. That's why it is better to use a trusted and reliable third-party tool to fix the Samsung phone stuck on logo issue. The best tool to fix such issues is going to be Wondershare Dr.Fone, which is a complete toolbox to resolve system issues in Android device. So it can fix Android system issues like unresponsive screens, if it's stuck on the logo, stuck in a boot loop, black screens, and many more. This tool works for all Android devices and supports the latest Android 13 version as well. So moreover, it also provides a simple and quick way to resolve Samsung phones stuck on the boot screen. So here's going to be how to fix Samsung stuck on the boot loop via Dr.Fone. So first, you want to launch Dr.Fone on your computer and then select Toolbox from the left panel. Now do connect your Android device and click System Repair after Dr.Fone detects your device. In System Repair, choose Android, and on the next screen, go ahead and select your issue and then tap Start. Now just provide your device details, so check the I agree with the warning and I am ready to proceed box, and then click Next to proceed. Afterward, you need to put your device into download mode. If you're using a device with a home button, turn off the phone and press and hold the volume down, home, and power buttons simultaneously. So after just a few seconds, press the volume up button to enter download mode. For a device with no home button, turn off the device and hold the volume down, Bixby, and power button simultaneously for a few seconds. Now press the volume up button to enable the download mode. As soon as the device is in download mode, the firmware will start downloading. After it downloads, press Fix Now to install the firmware. Before installing, use the 000000 code, so 0 6 times essentially, to confirm your action. After the confirmation, it will start the repairing process. Once it is completed, press Done to finish the procedure and use your fixed Samsung device from there. And with that, today's video comes to an end. So thank you so much for watching this video all the way up until the very end, and we hope that you were able to resolve your Samsung phone stuck on boot screen issue. So let us know about your feedback through the comments, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. So before saying goodbye, do take part in our campaign to win existing prizes. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Now, until next time, have a good one.